Did you know oats were once considered powerful enough to fuel entire armies? Not only were they a staple for ancient warriors, but recent studies reveal they're still a secret powerhouse for modern health. Let's dive in. Welcome. Today, we're spotlighting a humble superfood that's been around for centuries, oats. You've probably heard they're good for you, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. From breakfast bowls to smoothies, oats are popping up everywhere, and for a good reason. They're more than just a tasty start to your day, they pack a serious health punch that most of us overlook. Stick around, and you'll be surprised by just how powerful these tiny grains can be for your overall well-being. Despite their growing popularity, oats are often underestimated. How often have you heard people dismiss oats as just bland breakfast food or something only for those on a diet? Many people don't realize that oats are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, nutrients that play critical roles in our body. Then there's the misconception that oats are too high in carbs or don't provide enough protein. But here's the reality: oats are far more than a bowl of warm mush. They're a powerhouse food with incredible benefits, and today, we're breaking down exactly why we should all be paying more attention to them. So, let's look at what oats can actually do for our health. First, let's talk heart health. Oats contain a unique fiber called beta-glucan, known to help reduce cholesterol levels. This fiber helps trap cholesterol-rich bile acids and remove them from the body, which can lower LDL cholesterol and improve heart health over time. And for weight management? Oats can be a game changer. The fiber in oats doesn't just keep you full, it also slows digestion, helping to prevent those midday energy crashes. Then there's the impact on digestion. The fiber in oats promotes healthy gut bacteria, which can improve digestion and even help with regularity. But oats are incredibly versatile, too. You've got options like rolled oats, steel-cut oats, and instant oats, each with a different texture and cooking time. Steel-cut oats, for example, are less processed, giving them a lower glycemic index, which means steadier energy. You can make oatmeal, add oats to smoothies, or even bake them into energy bars. The options are endless, and it's easy to find a way to fit them into your diet. Here's where it gets truly inspiring. Take the story of one particular health transformation. A middle-aged woman with high cholesterol and chronic digestive issues decided to add oats into her daily diet. She started with a simple bowl of oatmeal each morning, topped with fruits and nuts. Within a few months, her cholesterol levels dropped noticeably, and she reported improved digestion and less bloating. Stories like hers are popping up everywhere, showcasing how something as simple as a daily serving of oats can have incredible, life-changing effects on health. So, there you have it. From lowering cholesterol to supporting healthy digestion and aiding in weight management, oats are a superfood that deserves a place in your daily routine. They're easy to prepare, versatile, and affordable, making them an accessible health boost for anyone. If you're looking to transform your health one small step at a time, oats are a great place to start. What's your favorite way to enjoy oats? Let us know in the comments. And if you're interested in more simple, effective health tips, be sure to check out our next video on the best foods for boosting energy throughout the day.